It's a volcanic hot spring. Oh, that's warm. Let's see if we can jam this hole up. There we go. It's filling up with hot water pretty quick. This right here must be the source. Whoo! Yeah, that's boiling. You can see all the steam coming off the hillside. There. All right, so we got cold water there, boiling hot water there, and warm water flowing in here. Oh, I think I've got the temperature dialed in pretty good. That hot water pipe is just a touch too hot, so I got a little bit of that warm waterfall coming in, mixing with it. Just perfect. Oh.